Alright, so I'm messing around with forscan, trying to get my ambient light to work when I opened the door. When I had it turned off, it wouldn't turn the lights on until you turn the car on. Then it powers the ambient lighting. So what I'm doing here, just kind of experimenting with forscan, the block I found that works when you open the doors and wanting the ambient light to turn on when you open the door. Let's see if I can demonstrate. So right now you see it's on, it's off. When I open the door, you get nice greeted by these little ambient lighting. Don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but I've been trying to figure out what block it is that turns it on when you open the door, because I was having that problem. So for those guys that's doing it too, what you want to find, 726-3102. You want to go to the second block. I believe mine was a 0 or maybe a 2. I don't recall off my head. You want to change that to the letter F as in Frank. Hit right, hit yes, then let it write the module, and now I got ambient lighting. So if I put it back to my factory default setting, yeah, so factory, it was just a 2. So let me turn my car back on. I'm going to go ahead and hit right all. Alright. I got the ambient lighting when you turn the headlights on. But you noticed now the door doesn't light up bright. It lights up red, lets you know it's open. When you close it, it will light up blue. Don't think you can see it, maybe just a little bit right on there. But when you open it, when you turn the car off, the light's very dim, so you can't really see nothing. I can promise you that it's turned on because the door's open, but you can see it. But it won't put on full output to it until you turn the car on with the lights. So like I said, 3102, second block, last digit, make that an F. Hit right all. Yes. Yes. Gonna write the system. You probably see it light up here. There it goes. Right now it's turned off. Full brightness. When the car is open, the car off, you get this little light here. Like I said too, now it shows inside of here. It'll show with everything else. So that's just a quick little video showing that I got the ambient lighting all towards, probably can't see the one back here. But thanks for watching.